Hi, I am Bella. Here I will tell you how does the subscription plans work. Search for dubverse.ai/pricing on Google. Here you can see the features of free and pro versions of Dubverse. To get the access of Pro version, click on Start 7-Day Trial. Now your 7-day trial will start. Click on Upgrade to Pro to buy the full version of Dubverse. Now you can select the billing duration as monthly or half-yearly. You can also select the amount of credits you want to buy. And now click on the Upgrade button.